Why girls don't trust their partner. Previous experiences of betrayal or hurt in past relationships can lead to difficulties in trusting new partners. Low self-esteem or insecurity about oneself can contribute to trust issues, as individuals may fear being abandoned or rejected. Lack of open and honest communication between partners can lead to misunderstandings and doubts, eroding trust over time. If a partner has a history of cheating or if there are suspicions of infidelity, it can be challenging for the other person to trust them fully. Partners who exhibit controlling or manipulative behavior may undermine trust by violating boundaries or exerting power over the other person. Some individuals may struggle to trust others due to a fear of being vulnerable and getting hurt. Negative influences from friends, family, or societal norms can affect one's perception of trust in a relationship. Cultural, religious, or personal beliefs about relationships and gender roles can shape one's expectations and attitudes towards trust. Sometimes, gut feelings or intuition may signal red flags or warning signs in a relationship, leading to trust issues. Past unresolved emotional issues or trauma can impact one's ability to trust and form healthy relationships. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.